Hey guys, I'm Sarah. When my sons were born, I didn't have a resource to turn to that I could trust that would help me repair my abs after they were born. So I created these 3 videos so that you guys can heal your diastasis recti safely. This is stage 2. If you haven't watched stage 1 yet, I highly recommend it. Link is down below. Stage 2 is meant for 6 weeks and up postpartum. These moves are simple but effective. If you've decided to start taking classes, you are going to learn some moves that you can use as alternatives to what the trainers are likely recommending that you do, the bicycle crunches, the excessive planks. This is where you want to start once you are ready to start getting after it, but we don't want you to exacerbate or widen that gap. These exercises are gonna help heal and close it. So you guys know the sheet exercises. If you don't, that is for stage 1. Link is below this video. And now we are gonna get into some more moves that maybe you're doing these at least 6 weeks postpartum. We're starting to work on reactivating those abs, and again, bringing our abs back together. So first move we are going to do is going to be the heel tap. So we're coming down onto the ground, and again, we're gonna make sure that we're engaging our abs. We learned how to do this in the first video, but I'll show you one more time. Deep inhale, exhale, belly button down and up, elongate the abs. Want to make sure that you're long, not shortening, long. And you've got a little bit of healthy space, a natural curve in your back. You're not rounding your back into the mat. It's just kind of a natural. All right, so we've got our good engagement. Bring those knees on up. Knees are over our hips. You should already start to feel your abs activating. Let's start thinking about our inner thigh. Everybody, start activating your inner thigh. Hands are gonna come out by your side, and we are going to, ready, engage those inner thighs. Belly button down and up. We're going to slowly lower one foot down and then bring it right back up. Slowly lower it down and back up. Really start to think about drawing up on your opposite inner thigh. So our left foot is going down. Think about your right inner thigh. Think about your right inner thigh. Again, take a break. So this isn't gonna make you wanna sweat, but it really should make you work. I honestly do feel like I'm sweating by the end of these. So again, inhale, exhale, belly button down and up, elongate, knees come up, that toe goes down and up. Exhale on the way up. Think about those inner thighs. Awesome job. All right, let's take it up a notch. I'm gonna move down a little bit because I'm gonna extend my leg long. Again. So work on doing 20 of those heel taps, 10 on each side. All right, let's take it up a notch. So knees in line with your hips. Again, inner thighs. Inhale, exhale. Straighten that leg. Think about the inner thigh. Activate that left glute. Heel is flexed, really push that foot out and then bring it right back up. Inhale, exhale, elongate, really use those inner thighs. Good. So even me doing this as I'm talking to you, I'm almost forgetting about all the different elements. So literally, belly button down and up, we're elongating our abs. And we're also making sure that we have that neutral spine and we're not over gripping in our back. Hands are supposed to be right here. I keep using them right here to show you guys, but let's do it one more time. Foot comes out and back. Really flex that heel. Try to really elongate your body and back and rest. All right, I'm gonna show you guys another one right here. I'm gonna bring this mat a little bit here. All right, so you can either do this with socks on a hardwood floor, or you could put your foot on a paper plate so that it slides, but we are going to be sliding our heels out. I've known this move since I had Tommy. I've never been able to feel it. I always thought it was lame. It's not. It's super hard if you're actually doing it correctly. Let's engage. Inhale, exhale, belly button down and up, healthy right here. and elongate right there. See, I shortened mine. And we're gonna slide our foot out, engage this left inner thigh, engage the right inner thigh, squeeze the butt cheek right here. Heel is pressing down, extend that leg on out. Abs are still engaged, in and back. Breathe in, exhale, you got the engagement. Inner thighs, press that heel out, kick the heel out, bring it in and back. So this one is gonna maybe be the first to feel easy, but trust me, if you're doing this right, it is not easy. I should have my hands right here. Let's do it one more time. Inhale and exhale. Foot out, kick it out, bring it in and back. One more time. Think about that inner thigh. Inner thigh. Your knee should not be knocking out. And back. So those are your 3 moves for stage 2. So likely if you're doing these, you are past the 6-week mark postpartum. Maybe you're, again, like I said, you're 6 months or you're even a year. So when you go take exercise classes, like at a Barry's boot camp, and they're telling you to do bicycle crunches, don't do the bicycle crunches. Do the heel taps or do the heel slides. Do one of these moves instead until you are sure that your separation is completely healed. And then maybe you can add those in, but I'm even gonna recommend doing these instead of planks during this stage. Got it? So we're going to be doing 20 total heel taps, 10 on each side. Then we're going to do the leg extensions where you straighten your leg, again, 20, 10 on each side, and then let's just make it easy, and then do 20 heel slides, 10 on each side. Try doing these every day if you can, or at least 4 times a week. If these are too hard, go back to stage 1, and if these are too easy, see stage 3.